Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to invert the camera axis in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so by clicking on the clipboard in the main menu or by pressing the escape key and selecting settings. From here select controls and look under sensitivity for invert camera vertical and invert camera horizontal. Here you can simply toggle those options on or off. Adjust them to your liking. After you are done here, hit apply and close. Next, hit return to game. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.